Welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals. This week I will be showing you one of my tricks, which is what do you do when you have no idea what to cook for the meal prep? Keep watching and I'll show you how I prep ingredients. It's called yeji and it is a peanut based seasoning. So if you ever want to try it and if you have peanut allergies, please know that this has peanut in it. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. And some garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, and some salt. And I will add some oil. The chicken was clean and lightly seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, and salt the night before to get it ready for today. All right, so I have my chicken on the grill, grilling a little bit, and I'll move on to the next item. As I said, this week is a lazy meal prep week. So my goal this week is to go to the gym each morning. So to make things faster for me, I'm prepping my breakfast ahead of time. That's it. Moving on to the next item, which is checking on I am done with grilling it. The whole purpose of grilling it was not to cook it all the way, but was just to get the little grill flavor. So now I'm going to put it in the oven to finish cooking. Remember, this is a lazy meal prep week. Plantain, it's an easy, quick meal to make with spinach. So I normally get my spinach ahead of time and I just have it in the fridge. So it's in the fridge whenever I want to make a quick bordia ninkuntumirabumu. I just peeled it, boil it, bam, 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 bam. I'm good to go. I told you this is a lazy week. So now that the chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna keep moving along. All right, so this week I'm going to have oatmeal, eggs, strawberries, and blueberries. Quick, easy breakfast you can do. All right, I got my eggs. All right. Ta-da, it's done. And this is it. Quick and easy way to still have healthy meals at home. ingredients. I have my chicken, which was grilled, then baked because I like my chicken juicy. And I have my breakfast here.